Hello! Are you ready to learn everything you ever need to know about algebra? I don't really know if we'll be able to get that done in 5 minutes, but we're going to do the best we can. The first thing is to know a couple quick vocab words. A factor is something being multiplied in a product. So for example, the factors in 7xy are 7x and y. Terms are being added together in an expression. So the terms in this expression here are 3x, 5y, and 2. In terms, we have variable terms, which have a variable in them, and we have constant terms, which are just values, like 2, 5, 7. It's a known value. Inside a variable term, like 3x, we have the variable, and we have the coefficient, which is the number that is being multiplied to the variable. So my coefficient is telling me how many x's I have. I have 3 x's, or I have 5 y's. It's my multiplier. Okay, you feeling good about vocab? It's time for part 2. The most common mistake that I see in algebra students is when we combine terms that we should not be combining. Combining like terms is a very common part of simplifying a problem, but you have to know which terms are actually like terms. So let's pretend that this whole problem is in unicorns. If my whole problem is in unicorns, then I have a couple different things going on here. I have 2 unicorns hanging out, eating marshmallows. And then I have 3 somethings of unicorns. Let's say that each x is a box full of unicorns. And we don't know how many unicorns are in each box, but I do know I have 3 boxes, and they should be exactly the same size, even though my pictures are not. So 3x is 3 boxes of unicorns. 5y is something entirely different. Maybe it's 5 bags of unicorns. So I have 3 boxes of unicorns plus 5 bags of unicorns plus 2 unicorns just hanging out. The question is, how many is in each bag, how many is in each box, and how many do we have all together? So sometimes a problem like this will tell you x equals 2. That means there are 2 unicorns in each box and 6 unicorns all together in the boxes. Maybe they will tell you that y equals 3. So there are 3 unicorns in each bag. And we have 5 times 3, 15 unicorns in bags. If they gave us these values, we could plug them in and now say that I have 2, 4, 6, 15, and 2 more. 21 unicorns all together, but they might give us different values and say x is 5, y is 12, y is -1. Negatives don't really work for unicorns though, I guess. But the important thing to remember is that 3 boxes and 5 bags have to be kept separate. I cannot say that 3 boxes and 5 bags makes 8 somethings. That is the most important thing to know. So what can you combine? You can combine boxes with boxes. You can combine bags with bags. So this problem said 2 boxes minus 1 box is 1 box altogether. 4 bags plus 3 more bags is 7 bags altogether. And there's just 7 unicorns just hanging out. They're not in a box. They're not in a bag. They're just out here farting rainbows. You just learned everything you have to know about algebra.